Hello, everybody. It's Mike Morley here. I have an important update for you, so important that I'm including Hal and the RVPs and your managers in on this information in this email. This is how we're doing halfway through the year in 2019 with regards to our Cardis Platinum points. And we all know how vital it is that we make Platinum this year. So let's take a look. So this is where we stand now. Our Cardis points total year to date are 55. How many do we need to get to the platinum status? We need 65, so we're falling a bit short. Right now, if everything closed today, we would be receiving a silver award. So where have we been successful this year, and where do we need to continue to be successful? With our USAA and Navy Federal Credit Union listing conversion, that's been great. On the listing side, it's been absolutely spectacular, so let's keep that up and keep those points coming. Our outgoing referrals have also been spectacular. We've actually been awarded an extra point from Cardis because of our outgoing performance for the first half of the year. Now, if we keep that up, we will get an extra point at the end of the year as well. So keep those outgoing referrals coming in. That's really important, and I'm going to talk about that in a little bit as what we need to focus on. And our survey results. Keep servicing the clients the way that you have been. Absolutely spectacular. Our surveys that have been coming in have been very good. So if you run into any issues, let the specialist know and let me know, and we can help you work through that. But keep providing that excellent service that they've come to expect from Coldwell Banker, New Jersey, and Rockland County, New York. So what we need to focus on as soon as possible, right now and between now and the end of the year. First of all, USAA and Navy Federal Credit Union are buyer conversion. So remember in the training, I gave you that no sale decline list. I want you to remember to look at that list. I'm going to attach it to this email again so that you remember. Remember, a no sale counts against our conversion. A decline reason does not count against our conversion. So look at that list as you're putting your notes in. And again, if you have a file that has to be closed out for a no sale, reach out to me first before you put in a note that will result in a no sale, and we will talk through it. Second of all, USAA and Navy Federal Credit Union agent-generated referrals. Even if you are not on the USAA and Navy Federal Credit Union affinity teams, look for opportunities to send military members and their family members through the USAA program. We've made it really easy. If you go to your desk now, there's actually a button there that you can click on to place a military-style referral for USAA and Navy Federal Credit Union. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Now let's talk about our BMA accuracy. We have to concentrate on our BMA accuracy this year. Unfortunately, we've been a little bit off the first half of the year, but we are still close enough where we can get those extra 2 points. So remember, what you put down as far as the most probable sales price on that BMA report has to be within 4% of what that property does eventually sell for. Keep that in mind as you fill out every Cardis BMA report that you do. Our outgoing referrals, like I mentioned before, the first half of the year has been spectacular. If we keep up that momentum of sending those outgoing referrals through the network, if you have a buyer or seller outside of our or Hal's area, the New Jersey Rockland County area, send that referral through the system and we can earn an extra 2 points if we build that business between now and the end of the year. And finally, frequent contact with the referring agent that sends us that outgoing referral. So we place an outgoing referral with you. That comes from a referral agent outside of the New Jersey area. Please make sure that you reach out to that agent on a regular basis and let them know what's going on with that file. That's important because we are judged on that. And we did not start the year off strong with regards, but we are climbing in that area. So if we continue to reach out to the referring agent, they'll fill out that survey positively for us and we'll do a great job. So where does that bring us? And why am I talking through all of this? Well, because this is our 13 points that we can get right here if we concentrate on these simple 5 things. We concentrate and earn those points between now and the end of the year and keep up what we're doing with the points that we've earned and not fall down in any categories. We add that to our current total of 55, and that gives us a total of 67. And what is that? That is platinum. So we're on spectacular track to make platinum this year if we all concentrate and work together. So you know what's coming next. You've seen this before. I want you to make sure that you reach out to Dana Miller and email her and let her know that you've seen this video. Email her simply the words ReloFocus. ReloFocus to Dana Miller at nrtllc.com. We're doing a spectacular job. Just work on those areas that I just mentioned to everybody, and we will get platinum this year. I have no doubt in my mind. Thank you for all that you do always, and I hope you have a great day.